name is Ronaldo Dupasani. My title is Team Leader Electrical, and I work for Namibia Breweries Limited. Namibia Breweries Limited is in the food and beverage industry, specifically focusing on the production of beer and beer-related products. So our portfolio includes soft drinks, water, ciders, but we obviously focus on beer. We are the biggest beer producer in Namibia. As in South Africa, Namibia is also experiencing a tough economic climate, so obviously we have to find ways of cutting costs to increase our profitability. But one of the biggest issues we've been dealing with is increasing electricity costs. They have just been increasing at alarming rates in the last couple of years. So we had to increase our plant efficiency by keeping our production levels the same or better, but reducing our electricity consumption at the same time. And that was the main driver for this project. We already had Wonderware Historian installed on site, which was great because we could record any information using that. So we used Software Toolbox's top server to draw information from the energy meters installed all over site. So now all of this information was recorded using Wonderware Historian, so we could now use the information that we have to solve our energy consumption problem. Once we had all of this information in Wonderware Historian, it really allowed us to see where our energy was going. So first of all, the live data was used on our SCADA system to display where the energy is going at any given time in the plant. So I could sit in my office and I can see this area is consuming this much energy, the power factor here is that, or whatever the case may be, and we can respond to alarms and warnings very quickly and sort out those problems. But the history data that we recorded could then be linked to production data for every specific area. And once we have that, we have an efficiency for that area. And you could look at the efficiency trend for each area and then discover which areas have the lowest hanging fruit where we can really maximize our energy savings potential. I think the most important learning from this project was that you have to really work with your colleagues, work with the process owners. You cannot go into their process and try and fix everything because they know it much better than you do. So if you could present their consumption and efficiency data to them and show them that their trend is, spiraling downwards, they could really see the urgency of it. And if they could see that by increasing their efficiency, they can not only decrease the costs of production, but also increase their production at the same time, they would really take hands with you and try and sort this thing out. So we could go to every process, identify where we can increase efficiency together, and in that way, they win by increasing productivity and I win by reducing electrical costs.